Hello, my god, my wheels are failing. Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So for today's video I'm going to... What's this? Ooh. What did you thought I was aiming for? Weirdos? I'm sorry, you're not weirdos, I just wanted to do this skit. Yeah, so in this video I'm going to disassemble and clean this Nokia because it deserves much love, unlike me. This is the Nokia 6060, by the way. Well, this phone was voted 2 times, in the last video and the second last video. And also this one, they have the same number of votes, only that I don't have enough time for this one today. And but it's next in line. This will be the next one. And I'm thinking of making more of these, not just one, so better save it for last. Now to put this away and get in this guy. That's not weird. Let's begin. This is gonna be here. I can't find any parts for it, no body shell, so I'll have to do what I can do and try not to destroy it in the process. I just have a hunch that has something to do with this part first. I don't know, it's just a crazy hunch of mine. I'm going to do a idiotic risky task. There we go. Here are the screws. Ha 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 ha. Here's something now we know about the 6060. And here's a magnet. Would you look at that? Now it's coming off nicely. I kind of like doing this detective work, even though sometimes it annoys me. And I do have some repair manuals for some phones. I don't think for this one that I haven't checked. But I wasn't going to use it anyway. So is this a LED? Interesting. And it's glued here. Okay. There we go. Okay. And here's the display, which I'm going to take out because this phone is really full of dust. I'm bending this thing. I don't know if it needed to be bended, but I bent it anyway. My god, is this little circuit board so fragile. Here's the LCD. Here's the LCD and the little top board. This board is very easy to snap, so extra careful with that. Here's the magnet for the hinge mechanism. Finally got out of the clamps. Yeah. So here are the clamps. So just bending them back the way they were. and I need a lot of cleaning to do. Here's the antenna, and interesting, no screws. Let me take the antenna out by pressing here and pushing up. There we go. I pushed a bit too hard, but pushing slower back so that it don't get snapped, and that's it. So by judging by the look of this, I had a hunch already that this part, it's removable, so I'm trying my luck now. Oh, there's the method. It is made of metal. I'm not sure. But I'm curious. Nah, just plastic. Well, this part snapped, but not bad. The clamp is still there. Here's the part that need to go as well up. There we go. This was a thinner one, so of course it's easier to damage. Just go ahead and push it. And this thing is too big. I managed to push it through here. I also managed to dent it a little, so I'll have to straighten it back the way it was, and it went back in place. Dang it! Now it's out. Now extra careful with the cables. There we have it. And this should be possible to be taken out, right? Yeah, the mechanism. Pretty thick plastic, I like it. Here's the cable, and this part should just be able to be pushed out like this. Yeah, just as I thought, this is sliding upwards towards the buttons. Be extra careful not to damage the cables. There we have it, one piece. Oh, and the connector just and the cable just disconnected itself. Okay. Okay, finally. This I had to push it in here and down. There we go. I knew this part is supposed to disassemble. Dang, I just knew it. My God, these are strong clamps. Oh, look at the dirt. Oh. Well, here are, well, not all the buttons, but some buttons. And here are the two screws. And I'm hoping these two screws are the only ones. If not, then, well, dang it. Yeah, so it has here Oh, what do you know? Now the buttons come off easy. And here are the other two screws. And the main board just comes out like this. Oh, pretty dusty. I'm just pushing with my fingers this transparent plastic part. There we have it. This other cover as well. It has here these little pins like this. You need to pull them, see, just like that. No need to use brute force, just pinch them and pull them up. There's one hidden here. There we have it. Well, here is the main board. Here's this part. Now the microphone. All that's left is the speaker, which is, as you can see, this housing of his, it's glue, it's melted in place on these 4 pins, so I can't take it out without damaging it. So I will clean it as much as I can as it is assembled here, because there's no need to change it or anything. If there was a need for me to change the speaker, I would have done it. I have this, all these parts. It's a pretty complex phone, so let's count the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, this one is so 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, plus 3, 25. Well, with the speaker 26 and with the door 27, with the little hinge 28. Yeah, you get the idea. It's a pretty complex phone, so it's 20 plus parts. Well, let's begin cleaning. This glossy part is glued here, so I won't take it out. Okay, that's that. You should look at this shine. Nice. Well, now to actually this part doesn't need polishing, it just needs wiping. Well, I'm going to assemble some parts of the phone that I can assemble now, and the parts that need polishing I'll let them be last, like this part and this part. What was this part as well. That's kind of it. I also need to polish this part, so I can't stick it yet until I polish it. Right, so let's begin the assembly. Well, I'm guessing the right order to disassemble this was this first part first, then this part, then the last this part. I mean, that's how I think it anyway. Alright, the bottom half is done. Now for the top half. One last thing that I almost forgot to put here. There we have it. Okay, it's connected by the sounds of it. Push these metal parts back in place, holding this little main board. Ouch. Okay. Now to connect this cable with the display. Now to push it in place, and that should be it. Let me look at it first. Still some dust particles inside. I'm going crazy. Let's open it again. Okay, it's good. Well, the phone should be technically functional, right? let's check it out before I get to polish it. Would you look at this? Of course I'm going to put a SIM card in, but not now. Let's finish polishing first. I could have used a cloth to spread it, but I prefer it like this. Oh, that's a big one! This is a, well, I think a polishing paste, but it says scratch remover. So technically polishing. I'll leave it to dry for a bit and be right back. Ugh, my hand, oh my god. Ugh, unless it smells nice, but oh my god. Help me. Alright, time to polish it. I really want to start with this part. So, wish me luck. Okay, so these are some powerful scratches here. Well, I tried manual. This is a mess. Ugh. So this is how it looks after I cleaned it, rinsed it with water. Yeah, it's better. Now all the scratches are shining. Yeah. This part was what I was mostly interested in because of these scratches, but they're too deep and there's nothing I can do about that. Now this part I don't like how it looks now, because I couldn't do it properly all the way, and now it looks like a matte black, not shiny black. I have one more paste. This time it's for headlamps. Now this part. This time I'm doing it with a cloth, not with the machine. Well, this time I glue this part together. There we go. I have to leave this part dry, and while it dries I get to polish this part again. Manual polish, baby. Okay, now it's better, a bit better. And then I have to rinse it with water again. Alright, going to wash them again and be right back. Alright then, time to put everything back together. Starting with this part. Okay, found the place, great. And the two. Okay, last assembly part. And it's in place. Huh, a dolphin. it is. Well, it's still scratched because the people who sell these things, they just throw them around in a sack and it's annoying, but at least the inside looks nice. Let's turn it on. This is a pretty elegant phone for a simple one. Let me check if it doesn't have a personal photo. No, it doesn't. Good. I wanted to check if the camera works right. I'm an idiot. Yeah, I'm guessing the camera works, right? Right? No. $16 hours and 12 seconds. Thank God I didn't break it and I've revived it a bit. And my phone is going to die. The LED effect works. I thought it wasn't working, but it's working. Oh, it works only on notifications. Well, done with this. You are so common in my room tonight. Oh, to be put in another fictionary showcase. Okay, enough of this phone. It's ready for me. Forgot to put the tools back. I'm an idiot. Yeah. So yeah, that's enough of the Nokia 6060. I'm gonna go put it in my showcase, and that's enough of this one. Join in next time when I'm going to do this one. Actually, more of these. Well, see you next time. Thank you for watching, and you know what I'm going to ask now, like every YouTuber asks. I can imagine my face right now. Also, hit that subscribe button, and I wish you all the best and a very awesome day just like yourselves. Bye! For now, to put you in the show.